welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because today is going to be another Beauty Bay New Mood palette day. And this palette just screams fall vibes to me. So I want to just go in, do a fun fall look, and the slip that I have on right now is also just very fall. I love fall. I cannot stand summer. So I'm just really excited. We're getting to mid-August, so fall will be here soon. I can't wait. And so I just want to do a quick little fall look with this new palette. And just sit down, film, have some fun. This is my relaxing time when I'm doing my videos, so but I'm also like the worst at remembering to clean off my brushes, so that's what I was just doing. So first we're going to start off with this beautiful mustard yellow shade. It's called Optimistic, and we are just going to use that as the transition shade today. Yeah, I just can't wait to do like all the fall things. I'm hoping I'll be able to get out this year. Last year was really hard for me because my dad had just passed away, so I'm hoping this year, like with our wedding and just, I don't know, I'm just hoping things will be better this year and I'll actually be able to somewhat, you know, enjoy it and just get out and kind of be a normal human being for once. The shade's really pretty. Oh, so pretty. So do you guys like fall? Are you more like me and you're more of a summer, or sorry, more of a fall person? Or do you like summer more? I think that I would like summer if, you know, it wasn't always like 100+ degrees and wasn't just so hot out that you couldn't really be outside. Because what I love about fall is I'm outside, you know, when I can be. And I just love like the fall colors, the leaves changing, just all of it. It's just, everything is just so much more beautiful in the fall. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with, let's see, I'm gonna go in with the shade Powerful right here. And that is just gonna be the outer portion of the lid, and we're just gonna really deepen that up. I'm not gonna come in as much as I usually do on the outer portion of the lid because I want the inner shade to really stand out. Just switching brushes because I didn't really like the density of the one that I was using. If you guys do love fall like me, what are some of your favorite fall activities? I would love to go to like a fall festival, and I'm sure they have some around us, but I don't know, that's just something I've never really done, but I feel like it would be a lot of fun. I just love everything fall in horror movies. Just everything that makes my heart happy, and just being able to wear a hoodie and it being nice and cool outside. And just all the like the fall scented things I just love. Alright, so I need to clean that up a little bit. Which I would normally do at the end, but I just want to kind of do that right now just to kind of see how everything looks and blends together. definitely think on this side the brown came up a little bit more than I wanted it to, but that's okay. I want to build up that brown shade a little bit more. This is my eye that I have trouble getting stuff to blend up on. Okay, now I am going to go in with the shade Euphoric, which is just absolutely beautiful. Like, this shade, I don't know what it is about this particular palette, but these shimmer shades, like, I did a video which should be up, a few videos before this one with the new Mood palette, and like the shimmer shades, like a couple of them are more like duochromy and they are just absolutely stunning. I don't know if you guys can see how that's coming through, but oh man, it is gorgeous. It like definitely tied this look together. And I'm really glad it kind of came together as I had it envisioned in my head, because sometimes I get these visions and things just do not work out like I think they're going to. So I'm really glad that this was a good one. Yeah, I absolutely love this. I think I might buy another one of these palettes just to have it as a backup. I was thinking Beauty Bay said they weren't going to do like limited edition palettes anymore, like the palettes that they released were going to be there for good, but I don't know. I like this one enough that I don't want to chance it, and I think it's only like 18 bucks, so I might be picking another one up because I just absolutely love this palette. I just can't get enough of it. It's just so pretty. I just want to touch up the dark brown outer portion of the lid a little bit more. Alright, now I'm going to do the lower lash line, which I think I'm just going to go in with the shade Curious, which is just a really pretty like orangish brown. I feel like that'll tie everything in together really well. And then for the lower inner corner, I'm going to do the shade Gracious, which is right here. Alright, I'm going to go do my mascara and I will be right back. Alright, so I am back and this is the finished look. Y'all can see that beautiful glimmer shimmer shade. And again, I just want to talk about the lip that I have on because I love the way it turned out. So I am using the Milani Understatement Lip Liner, and it is in the shade Brazenberry. It's right here. And then to fill my lips in, I use the ColourPop Lippie Stick shade in Infinite Best. And the shades are a little different. Here's the lip shade. You guys can see that. But when you put them together, you can't tell a difference, and they look really well together. And also my hair's doing this weird curl thing. Like right here, this one little strand, I mean, my hair is naturally curly, wavy, frizzy, but I straightened it, but for whatever reason, this one little hair right here just wants to poke out and be kind of curly, but that's okay. So anyway, I love this lip combo. It's perfect. Can't wait to rock it in fall. I'm going to be wearing it today. It's the middle of summer, but it makes me happy, so that's okay. And also, totally off topic, my fiance and I were at Old Time Pottery picking up some wedding decoration stuff, and I saw this beautiful skull, the roses, just beautiful, and I had to pick it up. So one day I hope that we will have a house that will allow us to have more room, and I can actually have like a dedicated filming room. Right now I'm just like in the corner of the basement, but I'm hoping I can have a shelf with all kinds of cute little knickknacks and things one day if we get to that point. And I think this will definitely be back on that shelf. It's just really pretty. I like it. And so again, today's look was with the Beauty Bay New Mood palette. I have been saying palette the last couple videos I filmed. I don't know what is going on with that, but here's the palette. Beautiful shades. I think this would be a perfect palette for fall, so if you don't have it, definitely pick it up. The formula is just perfect. The shades are stunning. I love it. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please do me a favor. Like 50% of my viewers are not subscribers. So if you guys can, do me a favor, subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Leave any comments that you guys want to leave. Did you like this look? Do you have this palette? Have you tried it? Are there any other palettes you're going to be picking up in the future? I'd love to hear about them. Thank y'all so much, and I will see you in the next one.